Hello and welcome to another Madman restoration video. In this video I'm going to refinish my bathroom vanity. If you would like to watch my full video on my retro bathroom renovation, please click the link. The vanity itself is in good condition, and instead of buying new, I wanted to refinish it. To start, I'm going to use Strip Well's surface cleanser. The surface cleanser is mixed 50% with diluted water and is going to act as a liquid sander. The finish is still intact, but this will give my new finish a good adhesion. And you can use my promo code MADMAN for 10% off your Strip Well order. Next, I spray shellac on the entire piece. This will act as a barrier in case there is any sort of contamination and will guarantee that my lacquer finish will adhere properly. I let it dry and then I sand with 320 grit sandpaper. After sanding, I spray my vinyl sealer coats. You do not need a spray gun to do this. Mohawk sells their vinyl sealer in ready-to-spray cans. I spray 2 coats of vinyl sealer and sanding with 320 grit in between the coats. Now it's time to make my own toner. The ratio is mostly lacquer thinner with a splash of lacquer, then mix my dyes. When you make your own toner using this process, it is transparent, which means it will not cover up the grain. You can watch in this clip as I slowly build the color up to a rich, dark walnut color, which is my goal. Now that the toner is done, it's time to spray my satin lacquer top coats. I spray 3 coats of lacquer, sanding with 320 grit in between each coat, and then it's time to reassemble and put in bathroom. I have to admit, I was a little skeptical about how the lacquer would hold up in a very hot and humid bathroom. These pictures have been taken a full year after the project was finished, and they have held up very well to daily abuse from showers and toddlers. Please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram for more mid-century modern restorations.